food. Switching styles like opera to rap too. And it ain't only restaurants anymore. We can go bananas at the grocery store. I'm a bad girl, but my takeout better. What you need, dude? I could cop a taco platter. Thai rice, sticky icky. Gyoza on the side, fried right, cause we kinda picky. Breakfast or lunch, hunt, dinner or brunch. Wanna find the finest dining? I got a hunch.
And some hot tattoos